Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let us talk about border tension between India and China and also about LAC. You might know that the border between Pakistan and India is called LOC, that is line of control. But the border between China and India is called LAC, that is line of actual control. There is a small difference between LOC and LAC. LOC is clearly defined, the both countries know where is their boundary. But LAC is not clearly defined. Both the countries not clearly know where is actual boundary. Due to the different claims by both the countries, they have created overlapping territory. This overlapping area is called as grey area. This grey area is about 10 km long. No one resides there. But both the Indian and the Chinese army patrolled in that area. This is why there were clashes and conflicts between both the countries. But situation today is more serious. On 5th May there is a clashes happening in Pangong Lake, which is in Ladakh area. It is a very long lake, around 130 kilometers in length, and its breadth is around 5 kilometers. But around 60% of the area of this lake falls within Chinese occupied territory, and a line of control passes through this lake. In this Pangong Lake there are many pointed edges. These pointed edges are called fingers of the lake. These fingers were named as finger 1, finger 2, finger 3 and so on. The grey area lies in between finger 2 and finger 8. On 5th May, Chinese troops had reached till finger 5 and this led to a conflict. Talking about the second conflict, on 10th and 11th of May, the Chinese troops were reached till finger 4 and this led to stone pelting and 11 people got injured. Right now, China physically occupied that area completely till finger 4. There are around 4,000 to 5,000 Chinese soldiers were there between finger 4 and finger 8. That means Chinese army fully occupied the grey area. Next incident happened in near Galwan Valley. The Galwan river flows from Akshay Chin region to Ladakh of India. In this region there is no grey area, only a single line between India and China. But Chinese occupied 3 to 4 km from Indian territory. The Chinese claims that the Galwan River Valley is a part of China. This makes the clashes between both armies, and 20 Indian soldiers were died, including one commanding officer. And in China, around 43 soldiers were died. Now we have to know about why China making intrusions in India. Some are saying that China is want to divert the attention of people from COVID-19. But real truth is China don't like that India developing infrastructure near LAC. Hope you all get to know about China-India border issues. Thank you.